In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gamepad to iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which gamepad or controller you have, you will be able to connect it to your iPad. I'm going to teach you how to establish this connection completely wirelessly, and you will be able to play any game that has gamepad support. For this video, I chose the DualShock 4 as an example. However, you can connect any controller that is able to be used with Bluetooth. The instructions might differ a little bit, and I'm gonna try my best to cover most important controllers. So first, access the settings on the iPad and look for Bluetooth. So the primary way to connect a gamepad to an iPad is over Bluetooth. In here, make sure that Bluetooth has been enabled, and now you have to set up the controller or the gamepad and you have to put it into pairing mode so that it can be detected by the iPad. For the DualShock 4, you will do this by pressing and holding the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for a few seconds. These are also going to be the same steps for a DualSense controller, so the PlayStation 5 controller. If you have something like an Xbox controller or a Nintendo Switch controller, you have to look for the synchronize or connect button. Usually it is going to be at the top of the controller. Like I said before, I cannot give you instructions for every single controller model out there. So if you are unsure how to enable pairing mode on your particular controller, search for instructions on Google or read the manual. So once you see your gamepad appear on the list of available devices here under Bluetooth, you are good to go. Select it from the list, it is going to be connected, and now you can go inside of any game. It is going to remain connected as long as it has sufficient battery. If you don't want to use Bluetooth or this option doesn't work, you can also connect them using a cable. So you plug one end of a cable into the iPad's charging port, and then the other one goes into the controller. However, Bluetooth is much more convenient, and I recommend that you do this connection method first if possible. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Gamepad to iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.